do one more analysis for you, and it will be two pairs, US dollar and Japanese yen, and another pair, Australian dollar and US dollar. So let's start with USD JPY. This is 4-hour time frame, just to show you that we are in uptrend. So there is bigger probability of successful trades to the upside. So let's move to 1-hour time frame. We can mark our levels. This is one resistance. As you can see now, it's strong enough, and another is here, but we see also this level. So as you can see, resistance, break, support, fake breakout, and continuation to the upside. So these are the main levels for us. We can do one more. I will do it like this. So you can see here is a very big move, so it's also a level of supply zone, so we need to be careful when the price will be here. And let's move to lower time frames. This is minute 30. As you can see, here was strong move from this level. Now another touch of this resistance, and you see these wicks. It shows that the sellers are still there, but it doesn't mean that the price cannot go higher. So I will add another level. I can do it like this. So as you can see, here was touch of this resistance, here fake breakout, and now break, retest, and now it's support line. So what we can await is on low minute 15. If we don't care about the very small levels, we can await that the price will go down here. It's probable because of this VIX, but then I would expect that the price will go higher, because we are in uptrend, and on this small level, small time frame, here was another big move, so another zone. This time it's demand zone, but we can remove it. So I would expect something like this, but what can happen is also this now, and then some reaction. Maybe here will be new support, and then continuation, or it can break through here, and then some kind of reaction. What we want is just signal, so don't trade without it. This is 5-minute time frame. As you can see, these fake breakouts, now it can become a real break of this line. And what I can show you on 1-minute time frame, if you trade trend lines, you can see that here was break of this trend line. So now this can be just retest before move down, and if you like even smaller trend lines, here is another break, and here was another trend line. So sorry, now we can wait what the price will do here, but I will expect that the price is retesting this trend line and it will go down, and then we will see what will happen. And if we draw even the smaller levels, for example this one, and other levels, for example this one, you can see that we can put our take profit, for example, there, or we can trade from there. So now that's it for this pair, and let's move to another out USD, and this is 4-hour time frame, again just to show you that we are in downtrend, so probability is that it will continue to the downside. On 1-hour time frame we see these levels, so one here, another one here, but we can do it like this, so you can see break, retest, and here test of this new resistance and move to the downside. Here is big move, as you can see, so this can be another supply zone, and so be careful there. And now that's it with the levels on this time frame. On minute 30 you can see the same levels, but here is one more hold level, as you can see here. So as you can see here, test of the support, break, now it was resistance, again break, now another test. It was changing from support to resistance, and now it's resistance, but it's very much tested, so I would rather put it back like this, and you can expect that the price will touch this level again, and then maybe reaction, and one more test of this line and also supply zone, and continuation to the downside because of the downtrend on higher time frames. So let's move to lower time frame. We see this level, so as you can see, it was nice level, but it became very messy here and here, so it's not the strongest one, but it's good, so we can let it like this. But lower time frames we see this small level, and you can await that if the price will go here, it can go down again, because this is also a big move, and it's also a supply zone, probably this one, another one. But let's move to 1 minute time frame. So nothing new, so I will repeat once again. We can await that the price can go back to this level. It doesn't have to. And then it can react on this level and go back. We will see where, here or here or even here. But don't forget that the price moves in waves, so it won't be straight. And that's it. Wait for signals here and here and here, and when you see a good signal you can enter the market. And don't forget that it can also break this level now without some kind of retest. But if you want to be sure, after break you can wait for retest, and after good signal you can trade this. So that's it, and see you in the next lecture.